Hello, this is my third reflection for my third day of observation at Walsh Middle School. So this week they were working with an app on their iPads, which I completely forgot to write down what the app is called. But from what it looks like, it kind of works. It's kind of like a Canvas type of thing for them. So they're able to turn in assignments. They're able to look at what the assignment is, what grade they're getting. They're able to look at their friends' assignments when they turn them in, if they're approved by the teacher. So they were able to show me a little bit of how that works. Um, one of the reasons why I wanted to mention this was because that was kind of the only thing that was going on when I was observing. But I thought it was super awesome and super important because I myself is are not I myself am not very tech savvy, and I am always trying to learn new things to make things easier. But I feel like I kind of stray away from being from looking into things that are very technology based because I'm usually not very good at it. Um, but it looks super simple, it's super awesome. So one of the classes was talking about their first artwork, which was a blind contour, and they went over it with watercolor. They had to choose a color scheme. It was super elaborate and super awesome. So one of the art classes was talking about that art piece. They made a video. They talked about it. They turned in a picture of the painting, and then they turned in there was a picture in the video, and I think they had to turn in a written response of it, like about what it was. And another class was working on it too, but this was a sixth grade art one class, so she was just kind of showing them how to use it, how they're going to be turning in assignments, and what they were doing is they were recording themselves talking about what art is to them, and I just thought it was super cool, and I decided that's something that I want to talk about because I think it's super awesome to integrate other things in the art class, not just old like paper pen, crayons, markers. I think it's really cool for the students to use technology-based things because nowadays it's what they use very often. And I know next week she's going to be working on a project called Zentangle, which is an app where um, you're able to edit a picture, and it has all these patterns on it, and I'll definitely take a picture to post it. But that's also going to be digital, which is pretty awesome. And yeah, and the questions that remain, I just think that I need to read a little bit more on the app, what exactly they're able to do. From what I can see, it's kind of works like Canvas, like you're turning things in. One of the things I really liked about it was that they're able to see each other's artworks and able to see each other's videos. They able to see each other talk about art, which is super awesome. I think it's great to hear the kids talk about art. But yeah, that was pretty much it for this week. I will see you next week. Bye.